Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel, Chicana Bling. So guys, let me do this introduction video. If you are new to my channel, I do have a previous channel called La Vida with Kim, which is still going to be active, guys. And in that channel, I share everything I love with you guys, whether it is unboxing, shopping, handbags, vlogs, DIYs, guys. And I do feel like it got a little bit overwhelming. It's like all over the place. So I was like, you know what? Let me start another channel because I originally started YouTube just doing DIYs. And I just couldn't help myself. And I started showing you guys everything. And yeah, so I was like, you know what? Let me start a separate DIY channel. So here we are. I want to show you guys, if you are new to me, what I'm about and what I do and what I can do. So you guys get an idea and maybe go ahead and subscribe, you know, for the future DIYs to come. So yeah, so my other channel is called La Vida with Kim. Again, it's still going to be active. I'm still going to be sharing everything I love with you guys. And then in this one, it's going to be my DIYs and bedazzling. So yeah, that's why it's called Chicana Bling. So welcome, my name is Kim. And let me start showing you around. So as you can see here, this is actually my wall that you guys will see in my other channel. It has everything I love, but this is my main focus, my DIYs, guys. So here you go, starting off with this Happy Meal. If you guys were obsessed with the Happy Meal toys, the miniature ones, like this one, I bedazzled this Happy Meal box like this. How cute is this? So all my videos where I show you guys how to do stuff are still going to be up in my previous channel. I love showing you guys how to do things step by step, showing you the materials you need, and exactly how to do things. So I've done this one. I did the little gold box I got as well. I have done little Starbucks keychains that I actually used to sell. I used to make these and sell these back in the day before I even started YouTube. Okay, which I started, what, like 3 years ago, I believe. So yeah, it's been a bit. I've always loved the bling, guys. I've always loved to craft. I just felt like sharing it with you guys, and that's why I started YouTube. I also did this cup recently. It is a transparent Starbucks cup, and when you put drink in it, you can actually see it, and it looks so beautiful in the sun with these transparent rhinestones. You can see them shine so beautiful in the light. I'm a Starbucks girly, guys. I actually have done Stanleys too. Look at that. Can you see it in the back? I was like a Stanley girl for like a second because those cups are heavy. Like once you put the drink in it, and I'm like, oh, it's too heavy for me. I don't know. You know, so I'm a Starbucks girl. I did a mini lid. I have the Mickey lid. I have the dome lids. I have a bunch of them. This tumbler right here I actually did before I started YouTube as well. So there is no DIY on it, but I'm telling you guys, pretty much just about everything here I did do a video on in my previous channel. So again, just giving you guys an idea of what I do, what I love to do. I have a Sally cup as well, a Starbucks cup right there. I love NBC. I love NBC, Nightmare Before Christmas. I have a Villains cup as well right there. Just a bunch of different cups. I have done bottles, as you can see here. Some Mentos gum right here. Beautiful, all bedazzled. Again, these are transparent rhinestones. Look how beautiful. You can still see the original design. My Touchland hand sanitizer that I'm trying to finish. I just can't get around it because I love using Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer too. So I just bounce off both, and I still have a bunch. So Tito's bottle. My Jenny Rivera bottle that I used to drink, but I stopped because I know they stopped making these bottles. So I was like, I need a preserver because that's all I got from Jenny, you know. If you know, you know. I have a Hennessy bottle and this bottle that I love so much. This one, I showed you guys how to do it as well. It is like fire themed. Do you see it coming together? Look at that. It looks so badass. I hate Fireball. It is disgusting, but I love how this bottle came out. It was a requested DIY. You guys can always request videos, and if I can get them done, I will. So yes, I have this bottle brand new right there. I have another Tito bottle right here. I have a hand sanitizer, another Touchline one that I did this past Christmas. Look at that, with Grinch on it. I am a Grinch obsessed girl. I love the Grinch. I have a signed decor right there. It says March 17th, which is actually my marriage anniversary. I bedazzled a Louis Vuitton bag that I wanted as decor. It looks beautiful on my wall. My mini bedazzled ears. I love Disney as well. Disneyland. I love going to Disneyland with the fam. And I have a bunch of bedazzled ears as well. Look at those. They're so beautiful. I just love crafting. And so this is the other side of my wall right next to my bling area. As you can tell, I love the bling. I love it. I didn't bedazzle these myself though. These are bubble bar charms. But just showing you guys how much I love the bling, okay? And then I have this Coach charm that I bedazzled as well. This was from the Denim Drop. If you're into handbags, you probably know what bag this is. I bedazzled this with you guys as well. I showed you guys how to do it in my other channel. So yeah, just again giving you guys an idea of what you're gonna be seeing in this channel, DIYs. Also, like I said, it's not just bedazzling. Look at this. This is a charm I made last year, I believe. I did a bunch of handbag charms. This is a Jack one. Like I said, I love Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack Skellington. So this was for one of my bags. Oh, and let me show you guys. I even DIY'd a bag. Look at that. Do you see that? My Marc Jacobs bag. I put patches on it. I bedazzled the letters. And I did that charm, guys. So yeah. I love DIYing. And I did another one for one of my YouTube buddies as well. I did like a whole makeover on one of her bags as well. That's where I got the idea for mine. So yeah. And then look at this. My plushie keychain area. I've bedazzled some of these too. These are the headband plushies from Disney. I bedazzled these too. I showed you guys how to do that on my previous channel. I'm going to be doing the crybabies pretty soon, the cherry ones, because these are so cute. Look at Alice. I bedazzled all of her. Daisy and Donald. I did a little Molly doll. This is like my resume, okay? I'm showing you guys what I'm about, okay? Just so you guys can get an idea. I did my Labubu. Some more Labubus over here. So yeah, this is just some of the stuff that I have done. I still have a lot of things that are obviously not on my wall. Oh, and then, oh my gosh. I totally forgot to show you guys that LV lock. Look at that. Gorgeous. I love that one. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little inside look. Tell you guys a little bit of what my channel is going to be about. Again, this is Chicana Bling, my new DIY bedazzling channel. I'm so excited, guys, to start this new chapter on YouTube. Let's see how it goes. I hope it goes well. Don't forget to check out my other channel. And if you're visiting from over there, thank you for coming over here. So I hope you stick around and don't forget to stay blinging. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.